Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks required to run your YouTube channel? If so, let me introduce you to the world of YouTube automation. YouTube automation is a game changer, transforming how you manage your channel by automating various tasks. This leaves you with more time to focus on what truly matters, crafting exceptional content. One of the major benefits of YouTube automation is automated scheduling. This feature allows you to plan your uploads in advance and publish them at the perfect time to engage your audience. Say goodbye to late nights and early morning alarms. Then there's the magic of automatic video optimization. This feature uses advanced algorithms to analyze your content and recommend the most effective tags, titles, and descriptions. This helps to boost your visibility and search rankings, bringing your content to a wider audience. And how about the task of managing notifications? With automation, you can set up automated responses, welcome messages, and moderate comments. This helps to foster a positive community around your channel, engaging your viewers without requiring your constant attention. But the benefits of YouTube automation don't stop there. There's also the feature of analytics and reporting tools. These provide invaluable insights into your channel's performance, offering data on everything from view counts to audience demographics. With this information at your fingertips, you can make strategic decisions to enhance your channel's growth. So why not embrace the efficiency of YouTube automation and free up your time? Say farewell to the manual grind and welcome the era of maximizing your channel's potential. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our growing community of content creators. Thank you for tuning in.